Good day, Charleston. It's Jax here, keeping the wheels turning on a sunny stretch of highway. If you find yourself dreaming about the open road, let me point your nose toward a spot just outside Mount Pleasant. It's called Best Pre-Owned RV of South Carolina.